We just arrived in Sacramento last night and just come to the indoor storage unit to pick up the car and continue the next phase of the journey. We're going to head over to the BMW shop and then we'll head down to Monterey.
So today is Thursday, March 6th, and we picked up the car this morning from the storage unit, and then we got on the highway, worked our way to 5 South, and traffic wasn't bad, weather was great. There's tons and tons of acres of agricultural land, and fruit trees to nut trees to vines to freshly plowed fields, everything. It's amazing. Stopped at a big fruit stand and got some goodies and dates. And now we are in Monterey, and we are going to explore the Monterey aquarium, which neither of us have done, even though we came through here on a motorcycle 8 years ago. So we're looking forward to it.
Clams, some shrimp, and some water blended up, put into that syringe for her to eat out of there. It's gonna fall under husbandry behaviors. It's happening over here on the deck with Rosa on the right side of the deck.
Like to look at tiny gray fluff balls. Yes, admit it, right? Let me reassure you, even adult penguins have very interesting moves. And again, as I said, you find them all over the southern hemisphere. So you have really tall penguins, like emperor penguins, that can grow more than 4 feet in length. What is on the menu for the afternoon?
So it looks like today the bigger fish that you're seeing is going to be whitebait, and then the smaller fish are silver side. So it's all these small schooling fish that the penguins just love to eat.
Each day, an aquarist feeds the octopus by hand so we can monitor its health and diet. Watch what happens when this octopus senses a fish nearby. It doesn't take long for those 8 arms to swing into action. lined with dozens of suckers that can taste the food they catch. They can also distinguish one person from the next simply by touching that person's skin. Every octopus has its own distinct character. Some are shy, while others seem to enjoy human company. Octopuses can also change the colors, patterns, and textures of their skin to match their moods.
State Preserve on the coast just south of Carmel. I've driven down the 17-mile drive. Those gorgeous houses, etc. Beautiful wildlife. From the front lines, no COVID-19 to be found here. It's very COVID, but it's not COVID-19. Sur area. Multiple state parks and on Route 1. Beautiful cliffs and hills and ocean and rocks and windy road. Pretty good surface. How's your tummy with the windy road?
My tummy's doing pretty good. It's just, you know, checking in with it every once in a while and looking up. So, but, yeah, it's just amazingly beautiful.
We're a couple hours from Paso Robles still, and I'd love to fly the drone, so we'll make that happen today. We'll do it. We'll do it.
Well done.